In this video, we will going to compare Firebase versus Amplify, which is better in this year. When it comes to building apps faster, without managing heavy backend work, Firebase and AWS Amplify are two strong platforms that often get compared. Firebase, created by Google, is a backend as a service platform that helps developers move fast. It offers real-time databases, authentication, hosting, push notifications, and analytics, all under one roof. What makes Firebase stand out is its ability to handle real-time syncing across devices, which is why it's so popular for chat apps, social platforms, and collaborative tools. It's beginner-friendly, but also powerful enough for production-level applications. The integration with Google Cloud makes scaling easier, though costs can grow quickly as usage increases. Lovable is a newer AI-powered development tool that focuses on simplifying app creation. AWS Amplify, on the other hand, is Amazon's take on simplifying cloud development. It connects directly to the massive AWS ecosystem, giving you access to services like DynamoDB, Lambda, and S3 through a developer-friendly toolkit. Amplify is especially strong when you need scalability and enterprise-level flexibility. It works well with GraphQL and REST APIs, and it gives developers more control over how resources are used. While the setup can feel more complex than Firebase, the payoff is in long-term flexibility and the power of AWS behind your app. Amplify is ideal for teams that need both simplicity to start and deep scalability for the future. So, Firebase shines with real-time features and ease of use, while Amplify stands out with flexibility and enterprise-level power. The choice really depends on whether you want to prioritize quick setup or long-term scalability. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.